YouTube, YouTuber. I don't know. And yeah, so if you can't hear me because of conflict, because of my family sleeping. Yeah. So yeah. Um, if you don't know, I was thinking of sending One Direction, but now I'm just like, where's the One Direction? Because I'm like a big fan of Direction, and my she's like, oh my she's like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my God is making the day with me. And one day on Facebook, she wanted to put my friend with her. Is that crazy or what? Just because I'm in pain. And just because I'm in pain doesn't mean anything. Because on Facebook, you should search for me for another black plum. You should search for me and BERNADETTE to write my name and that's if you want I will prefer BERNADETTE. Oh yeah, my Facebook. And yeah, bye YouTube. Please subscribe down below. And yeah, please subscribe and yeah, give me a thumbs up. Okay.